Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a home that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican for a million or US $25,900. This house is located in Vista del Mar, one of the most desirable gated communities in Drax Hall, St. Anne. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is very spacious and has a great kitchen, bar area, staff quarters, and storage space. There is also a bedroom with ensuite bathroom on the ground floor. The grounds are well fruited. There is a growing commercial development within walking distance with restaurants, shops, medical centers, and so on. There is a beautiful beach about 1 kilometer away. This house actually sits on two lots, numbers 53 and 54. The garage is the only building on lot 54. The combined land is almost 12,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 80 million or US $519,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.